Back to the channel. We are looking at the stock price of Vaxxinity Inc. And on Friday, the stock gained an unprecedented 84.22% during normal trading hours, closing normal trading hours at $6.95, and in the after hours it lost about 4.97%, so basically 5%, closing the week at $6.60. Now this company just finished enrollment in the second phase of a two-part study for its drug candidate that aims at alleviating Parkinson's disease. So the first part of the study seemed to be very encouraging, and so they started enrollment in the second part of the study. And I think just the fact that they completed the enrollment, that helped to push the stock price of the company a little bit higher. So what they concluded for the first part was that their approach is a bit novel, in that the treatment that they intend to use is works a bit like a vaccine, and they were able to detect the parts of what they were looking for in the cerebrospinal fluid, meaning that the effect will be able to reach the brain, which is the end target. So now they're moving on to the second phase of this two-part study, and this will be very, very crucial and determinant in the final outcome of their drug candidate. Just bear in mind that this company has funding that is aided by the Michael J. Fox Foundation. So it's important to know that they have some heavy institutional backers that believe in their technology. So a brief profile and presentation of the company. Vaxxinity Inc. is a biotechnology company that aims to democratize health by bringing the efficiency of vaccines to chronic diseases. The company uses its synthetic peptide vaccine platform to harness the immune system and convert the body into its own drug factory, stimulating the production of antibodies with a therapeutic effect. Its current pipeline consists of 5 chronic disease candidates from early to late stage development across multiple therapeutic areas, including Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, migraine, and hypercholesterolemia, as well as a candidate for COVID-19 prevention. The company was founded by Louis G. Rees the fourth and May Hu in 2014, and is headquartered in Dallas, Texas. And the company, like they said, was founded in 2014 and is getting significant funding from the Michael J. Fox Foundation. So their therapy for some of these chronic diseases, like Parkinson's, is that they will inject you with these the drug candidate they have, and that will elicit an immune response from the body. And the target was that they will have to get these antigens, in the cerebrospinal fluid, which is the fluid that bathes the brain. And once that happens, it means that the target, which is the brain, can be reached by the vaccine that they developed. So quite a process, but so far they have encouraging results, and from what they claim, it is directly linked to the titer, the amount of vaccine that they give, and that's the amount of corresponding antigen that they find in the cerebrospinal fluid. So now they have completed enrollment in the second part of the study, two-part clinical study, and we are looking and watching carefully to see what the outcome will be. Thanks for joining me. We will get back to you guys if we hear of anything, but I think this is one of those stocks that is worth adding in a portfolio, where you might have stocks where you just keep a close eye on and see what the trend is, because now they finished enrollment. What's gonna happen most likely is that people will forget about the company, and the next time you hear about them it might be too late. The stock would have already ran up so high. Average volume 609,000 shares will typically exchange hands on a good day, but on Friday there was 33.5 million shares that exchange hands. So lots of excitement about Vaxxinity Inc. Put it somewhere, write it down somewhere, but every couple of days, every couple of weeks, please come back, take a look, see where the stock is sitting at, and if it gets close to the 52-week low, I would advise, don't hesitate, jump in, and you can sit there and watch what unfolds as they continue with the second part of their two-part study on their star drug candidate. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below, guys, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That helps me a lot, goes a long way to show that you appreciate and you would like to see this channel grow. Bye for now and have a wonderful weekend.